Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and it's been a long time. I missed everyone. I am just going to show some more of these tote boxes that I've filled and kind of decorate a little bit. These are for tween girls, and they're for they're little planner kits. So there's two different kinds. One has the weekly planner book and a thing of, fun sticky notes, small tabs, a keychain, keyring, or a tennis shoe keyring, a pin, and a magnet paper clip, or clip bookmark. The other one has the big notepad, and then the same stuff, only the different little bookmark. And I just used, this is like really old, I think it was My Mind's Eye. It's either the Stella Rose, I use both, Stella Rose and Quite Contrary. I think this is Quite Contrary. I think this is these are Quite Contrary. And I think this might be the Stella Rose. So I did two like that, and then two like this. I thought they turned out pretty cute. So then I had a bunch of extra stuff, and I purchased some of these kind of bakery containers or whatever. I went to my local store. They're Cub stores. They're all over the Twin Cities and pretty much Minnesota, I think. Huge stores, and they wanted 75 cents a piece at the bakery, and I just really, I cannot imagine them paying that much for these things. They go through so many. So I went on Amazon and I got 50 for 17 bucks, and I figured that's a pretty good deal. So this one is a deluxe. Oh yeah, and there's a sticker sheet in this, I forgot. Sticker sheet's in the back. So the deluxe one has two sticker sheets. I kind of don't want, I can mess it up. Oh, one sticker sheet, I'm lying. Both the weekly calendar, the small, or the notebook, a thing of the post-it notes, small post-it notes and tabs, and then two packs of washi tape, two rolls of washi tape, and two pins. And then this awesomely cute keychain. They're so cute. So there's that one. So there's a kitty keychain, and then a mermaid keychain. And these are the other stickers. So that's where that goes. I gotta fix the other one. Isn't that cute? The little keychains. Kind of glad I got those. I was gonna not use them, and then I thought, you know what? Because this is bigger, they'll fit better. Just gotta put this back up here. So I think I'm gonna do like $10 to $12 on these smaller tote boxes. Because I do think they look really pretty, even the manicure ones. I was thinking 8 or 9, but I think I'm going to do 10 or 12. And on these, I'll probably do like $14 to $16 on these. Because it's really just kind of curating the stuff. You're not like making a lot of stuff. But I figure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25, 35, 45, 50, 60, 70. So probably about $6. Maybe I will go a little higher. We'll see. I gotta figure that out. So I'm also gonna make labels. I've got it already started in my silhouette, a label that says everything that's in here. So those are them. Nice grammar. So, and then here's just how, like, you could buy both of those, would be cute. So I'm hoping they'll sell pretty well. I think they look real nice, you know, as far as put together and good collection of stuff. So I will keep you posted, and that's coming up in about less than a month. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.